Hi, welcome to Annexa on Air. I'm Ananda Iyer, Head of Customer Success here at Annexa. And today we're going to talk about SuiteCommerce MyAccount. Historically, to get access to the MyAccount feature, you had to subscribe to the full NetSuite Commerce Suite. But now what NetSuite have done is they've separated this out into its own subscription. So it provides better value for yourself and of course increases that customer experience. Through MyAccount, customers can now access their full order history. They can even create their own quote, which you can then alternatively turn into an order or spin up and discuss with them the finer details. It'll provide a bit of self-sufficiency, so customers can now go into there, start playing around, creating orders themselves, figure out exactly what way they want to pay, what products they want access to. So just increasing that whole buy process, making it much easier for both yourselves and your end customers. If you want to find out more about SuiteCommerce MyAccount, please reach out to your Customer Success Manager to take you through a demonstration. Thank you.